Hello, Charlotte.
Hello, everyone. I am Charlotte, and I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite Korean food. It's called Donkatsu. Here we go. First, we have to pound the pork. This is a meat mallet. This is really dangerous. Don't do this without your mommy. We're gonna sprinkle some salt and garlic. That makes it really yummy. It smells so good, but you're not allowed to eat until we cook it. We're gonna put flour, eggs, and panko.
Oh.
We're gonna put the pork in each one.
Go.
We're gonna put 2 big scoops. That's enough?
Yes.
It's snowing. Look at the snow. That's enough.
Mm-hmm.
Is there one more scoop?
You can do one more scoop.
Whatever I want.
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, here we go, Mommy. Now I'm gonna add 3 eggs to my next bowl. No eggshells. In the last bowl, we need panko. Now we're gonna bread our pork. First flour, then egg, then panko. When it's all filled up and crushed like breadcrumbs.
Put the other side in. Oh, not so far. Okay, that's good. Put it down. Shake it, shake it. Dip it in the egg. Gentle, just like the flour, gentle, okay? Put it in. Pick it up. Flip it over. Put it in.
Your pork is ready to cook. Give me a grown up. Okay, we're gonna drop it in. Cook it for 5 minutes on each side. It's all done. Put on the plate. Hold it. Wait, is it actually meat? Because it looks like chicken for us to eat. It looks like chicken for me to eat. Can I lick it? No, it's too hot for my tongue right now. Now's the taste challenge. Tastes good. Really good. So this is how we make it. Check out all other videos. Bye.